What do you do when everything you counted on is suddenly gone? The plan fails, the support disappears, the door closes, and you're left standing in silence, asking, "What now?" Pause, breathe, because this moment, the one that feels like the end, is often the turning point. Stay with me. This message is for rebuilding, not giving up. Section 1. When the floor drops. There are seasons when life hits harder than expected. Not small setbacks, real disruption. Things you worked for, people you trusted, paths you believed in. It can feel like standing in an empty room after everything familiar is removed. But here's the truth. An empty room is not only loss, it is also space. Space to rebuild differently, stronger, wiser. Loss clears what comfort was hiding. Section 2. The misleading feeling of "it's over." Your mind will try to convince you. This is permanent. This is final. There's nothing left. But feelings are weather, not facts. Storms feel endless while you're inside them, yet they pass. Many people who later thrive can point to one season where it looked like everything collapsed. Not because their story ended, but because their direction changed. Section 3. What can't be taken? Even when circumstances change, some things remain untouched. Your ability to learn, your ability to adapt, your ability to try again, your ability to grow. Skills can be rebuilt. Connections can be rebuilt. Opportunities can be rebuilt. Inner strength, once developed, multiplies. You are carrying more forward than you realize. Section 4. The reset advantage. Starting over feels unfair, but it has a hidden advantage: clarity. You see mistakes faster. You choose better partners. You set stronger boundaries. You waste less time chasing the wrong things. A reset is painful, but it is also precise. It removes distractions and forces focus. You stop drifting. You start choosing. Section 5. The one-day rule. When everything feels overwhelming, don't try to fix your whole future. Just win today. One useful action. One healthy decision. One completed task. One honest conversation. One skill practiced. Shrink the battlefield to 24 hours. Momentum doesn't come from giant leaps. It comes from repeated small steps. Section 6. Rebuilding confidence quietly. Rebuilding is rarely loud. It's not dramatic speeches and big announcements. It's quiet discipline, private effort, unseen consistency, no audience, no applause, just progress. And that's enough. Because confidence doesn't come from noise. It comes from proof you give yourself daily. Section 7. The turning point. There is a moment, subtle but powerful, when you stop asking, "Why did this happen to me?" and start asking, "What can I build from here?" That question changes everything. It turns pain into instruction, setback into strategy, ending into foundation. If it feels like everything is gone, remember this: not everything, not your mind, not your will, not your next move. You are not at the end. You are at the rebuild. Stand up. Start small. Move forward. Your strongest chapter is not the one that never fell. It's the one that rose again. If this has helped you, subscribe and share for more.